Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to activate your O2 Pay As You Go SIM card. First, if you're in the UK, the process is super simple. Just insert your O2 SIM card into your phone, turn it on, and wait for the network to connect. Once connected, you'll get a text from O2 confirming that your SIM is active. If you're in Germany or another country where identity verification is required, you'll need to register your SIM card and complete an ID check. You can do this through the O2 website or app by following the on-screen steps and uploading a valid ID. After verification, your SIM will be activated automatically and you can start calling, texting, and using mobile data. And that's it. Your O2 Pay As You Go SIM card is now ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.